Wait there.
Coco, I don't like this. We'll be fine. The rhino can't see us with our camouflage. See? Told you.
Wilson, no!
Look, isn't my camouflage perfecto? Wilson, no! Hello? Oh my Lord, what was that? Hello? Hey, who's here? There's something in the tunnel. What sort of something? I don't know. Listen, I can't hear anything. What are you two doing? Brewster thinks that there's something in the tunnel. Yeah, some of the animals got out of the safari park last night, and I think one of them's in there. It could be a lion or an elephant, or it could be something you've never even seen before. Wait, what? Like a dragon. A dragon? Yeah. Emmy said the dragon got out last night too.